Hi, I'm sure a lot of us have seen and heard about star rating in appliances. Today I am going to explain what we mean by star rating and how is it important to you and things to keep in mind while considering a certain star rating. Star rating is a measure of energy efficiency of an appliance. It is a 5-point scale where higher the rating, lower is the energy consumed and hence better savings. This is a standardized measure defined by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. BEE or the Bureau of Energy Efficiency has introduced a new star rating methodology for air conditioners manufactured and sold in India starting 1st January 2018. It is called the Indian Seasonal Energy Efficient Ratio or ISEER. This defines the energy efficiency of cooling appliances like ACs and refrigerators. Confused about star rating and ISEER? Each star rating value corresponds to a range of ISEER values. To introduce more energy efficient products in the market, the BEE has redefined the star rating values effective 1st Jan 2018. With this change, the standards of ISEER values have increased from 4 to higher than 4.5 now. This change would also mean that an AC with ISEER value lower than 3.1 will no longer be manufactured and sold. Wondering why you have not been able to find a 4 or 5 star AC yet? As you can see in this table, a 4 and 5 star AC in 2018 have higher ISEER values than in 2017. Manufacturers have not been able to produce these ACs in fixed speed technology yet. However, a 4 or 5 star rated AC is available in inverter technology. Also, you can now see that a 3-star AC is the best available option in fixed speed ACs, also known as split ACs, and it is equivalent to a 5-star of 2017. Similarly, there has been a 2-point drop across all star ratings of 2017 in 2018. Does this now answer your question of why you have not been able to find a 5-star AC yet? While on the outside it may seem like more rigidity, but in practice, this step will further evolve the market more towards energy/cost saving ACs. Does this mean that the inverter ACs are best option available? Well, not necessarily. You can still buy fixed speed ACs because the major difference between an inverter and a non-inverter AC is how they function or the technology and not in how they are rated. For a given star rating, both inverter and a fixed speed AC have similar energy efficiency, and this can be verified through the ISEER values. I guess I speak for every one of us when I say that's justifiable. As long as the future turns out to be bright and soon air conditioners no longer be a big strain on our electricity bills. So friends, with the new ISEER rating system in place and Flipkart's huge range of ACs, we don't see any reason you should be delaying your purchase. Just log into Flipkart and get shopping, where you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, detailed demo and assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come, join the Flipkart family now.